Okay, can you please educate me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Todd's back.
I just got something that he's had for a while, and I have no idea how to use it, apparently.
It's called skill. Oh, but that was really good.
I think it's just more, I think it's experience. No, it wasn't that funny.
Yeah, it was kind of
It's
funny.
more experience.
All right, well, I thought it was funny.
Experience is a compliment, too.
No, that's just age.
Yeah.
That's not a compliment.
It was a
That is
backhanded compliment.
I speak Todd.
Yeah, and you speak,
I've got
and
lots
I
of
speak
experience.
Lee.
I got lots of experience in this department.
All right. Hi, everybody. These next few days are going to be incredibly quiet. So that's really nice. It is starting out cold. We are seeing chilly numbers. 20 Bangor and Bar Harbor, 24 Lewiston, Portland's 26. There's some teens out there, too. Same as yesterday. Millinocket and Calais are the cold spots in the state. Aside from some mountain and northern Maine clouds, it is crystal clear. We'll have a lot of sunshine this morning. This high drifts east. And high clouds, which are associated with milder air, will work in for the afternoon. So yes, we're going to lose and filter out quite a bit of sun, but those temperatures will be on the rise. These next few days, we achieve 50 degrees again, which hasn't happened in a little while. A clear and quiet start. I don't expect any issues on the roads, but there is a lot of frost out there, so you'll probably have to scrape like you have had to do the last couple of mornings. Sunshine by the middle of the day begins to get filtered by some high, thin clouds. It'll remain chilly for the middle of the day, the wind light, however. And then things change a little bit more this afternoon. You can see there's a lot more cloud cover out there. Now, these will be these high clouds, so there will be thin spots, which leads me to believe that you may get some nice color at sunset. The breeze is going to kick up a little bit, especially near the coastline, so that'll add a brisk feel to these high temperatures right here. So chop off a few degrees. It's not going to feel like 45. It's not going to feel much warmer than it has the last couple. It stays kind of cold out there. Temps again in the mid 40s here. Tomorrow will be beautiful. High pressure on the East Coast. Milder air comes in, and it stays mild on Friday and also dry. There was some question earlier this week how quickly this rain would get to us. I see all of Friday rain-free. I see all of Friday evening rain-free. And then this cold front comes in from the north and west, and low pressure from the southeast U.S. moves up with a lot of subtropical moisture. And the two interact, and it does look like we're in for a juicy event here on Saturday with some heavy periods of rain. This flies by Saturday night. Behind it, the winds really kick up. It's going to be a blustery Sunday and a much colder Sunday as well. We will be getting some sunshine back. Yesterday, I showed you the stripe of heavy rain to our east over Nova Scotia. Well, now it's creeping back, and we are going to be in for some heavy pockets of rain. Looks like the heaviest amounts will come in from eastern Maine, closest to that low, and there could be a few inches. So if we get this type of rainfall, there will be spots that deal with some temporary drainage issues, especially with all the leaves still coming off of trees. It's not all bad news for the mountains who are opening up for ski season. There's probably going to be a little wet snow on the backside of this system, so hopefully it doesn't go all rain on you and you get snow out of it and not rain. That's where we want it, in the mountains, right? Here's the marine forecast from the Weather Service. Small craft advisories go into effect late tonight and tomorrow. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Winds light now will pick up out of the southwest. So here's that 7-day forecast. A mix of sunshine and those high clouds today. Highs still on the cool side in the mid 40s. Tomorrow's so much better, and it's probably the best day of the week. It's sunny. The wind isn't bad. It's a lot milder with high temperatures between 50 and 55. Similar temps on Friday, but it'll be blustery out there. It does stay dry. I'm not expecting rain until overnight Friday into Saturday morning, but Saturday is looking wet, and it does have washout potential. Sunday does not, but it'll be a lot colder and blustery, and we'll start Thanksgiving week quiet and cold. Oof. Temps either side of 40.
Yeah, the low on that Tuesday was at 18.
That Tuesday morning looks like the coldest morning of the season.
Yes, very exciting.
Lucky
Thank you.
us.
Can't wait to come to work. All right, thank you, sir.